Welcome back, my dear viewers. Today, we are going to delve into a topic that is deeply personal and sometimes painful: dating after being with a narcissist. Dating can be a minefield at the best of times, but when you have been in a relationship with a narcissist, the scars can run deep. But fear not, dear viewers, for today I am here to guide you through the tumultuous waters of love after a toxic relationship. Recognizing the signs. The first step in healing is recognizing the signs of a toxic relationship. Narcissists are masters of manipulation, and they can make you doubt your own reality. If you find yourself constantly walking on eggshells, feeling like you are never good enough, or being gaslighted into questioning your own sanity, you may have been in a relationship with a narcissist. But don't worry, my dear viewers, for knowledge is power. By understanding the dynamics of a toxic relationship, you can begin to heal and move forward. Healing from the past. Healing from a toxic relationship takes time and patience. It is important to give yourself the space and grace to heal from the wounds of the past before diving into a new relationship. Take the time to process your emotions, seek therapy if needed, and surround yourself with supportive friends and family. Remember, you are worthy of love and happiness, and you deserve to be treated with kindness and respect. Setting boundaries. Setting boundaries is crucial in any relationship, but it is especially important when dating after being with a narcissist. Narcissists thrive on control and manipulation, so it is essential to establish healthy boundaries from the start. Know your worth, my dear viewers, and don't be afraid to speak up for yourself. You deserve to be in a relationship where your boundaries are respected and your voice is heard. Red flags to watch for. When dating after being with a narcissist, it is important to be vigilant for red flags that may indicate toxic behavior. Some common red flags to watch for include lack of empathy, controlling behavior, gaslighting, love bombing, manipulative tactics. If you encounter any of these red flags while dating, trust your instincts and don't be afraid to walk away. Your mental and emotional well-being is worth more than any toxic relationship. Moving forward with confidence. Dating after being with a narcissist can be a daunting prospect, but with the right mindset and support, you can forge new connections and find love again. Surround yourself with positive influences, focus on self-love and self-care, and don't be afraid to take things slow. You are stronger and wiser than you give yourself credit for, my dear viewers. Embrace your journey of healing and growth, and remember that you deserve to be in a relationship that uplifts and empowers you. Thank you for joining me today, my dear viewers. Remember, dating after being with a narcissist is not easy, but with courage, self-love, and perseverance, you can find happiness and fulfillment in love once again. Until next time, stay strong, stay true to yourself, and never settle for anything less than the love and respect you deserve.